Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 459, courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com. Bringing you the cup tonight. So here's our list of players. Got Ruben and Frank and Chef and Slyman and Bill and Sean and Daniel. And Bill wants me to roll for the Gem and Stinker card. Got Ruben, Aaron, NJD, Dwayne. Saber Sean, Dubs, Slyman, Slyfoxes, Codfishy, Ruben, Teeks, Tofu, Big Fat Polly, and darts went to NJD and Aaron. So I'm going to pull out the darts first, and then we'll do Bill's Gem and Stinker, and then we'll get into the goodness. So free dart going to Ruben first. So, Ruben, you get a double three for Ruben. And then we got 3 for Dwayne. Got a single 20. Triple 17. And an 11. Now, Strum's probably wondering what that's all about. They can cash it out for prizes, is what it is. And Aaron gets 3. Triple 12. Single 3. And double 18. So that concludes the darts. Now we're going to roll for Bill's Gem and Stinkers. We got 2, 5, 13, 19, 21, 23, 25, and 30 left. So I'm going to just spin. We'll pull the numbers off of here. Hopefully it won't take too long. Bill didn't want to pick one, so lands on Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is 23. Do we have a 23? We did. Wow, first roll we got it. So card number 23 for Bill. Good luck to you, buddy. There's still some awesome cards in there. Just saying. The best card is still in that. 2, 3. Yeah, the best card is still in there unless it's in here. Oh! You got a gem, Bill. Oh, this one's nice too. Shrum, you're going to like this card, buddy. The Cup. Enshrinements. Autograph. Larry Robinson. Number 38 of 50. There you go, buddy. Hope you enjoy that one. That card is cool. That was well worth your $10, huh? And with all the shenanigans out of the way, let's move on to our box you guys have been waiting for. The Cup. Ending in 059. Recording the serial for the YouTube camera, not for the live feed. So, luck to you all. I wish you all could win. There's going to be 7 cards in here. 5 cup cards, 2 ultimate pack cards. See, sealed. Sealed. There's our tin. Across the room. Take that off. Take this out. Away with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this box. I'm going to pull the ultimate pack off. Put that there. Then I'm going to open up the ultimate pack carefully. See what we got. The last pack we did had a Bobby Orr autograph in it, so this one doesn't feel as thick. Where'd Ruben go? Base card for Winnipeg Jets. And Teeks 643 got Andre Pavlik out of 399. And wow, so many St. Louis cards tonight. Debut Threads. Oh, number 28 of 100. Jake Allen. Definitely a jersey number right there. Like an arm number or something. Yeah. That's 3 nice St. Louis hits tonight. That number 28 of 100. For you, Cod Fishy. Good job, buddy. And the cup. First card's going to Edmonton. That. Hey, that was easier. Oh, grab a spacer and get all sneaky with these. Base card out of 249 for the Edmonton Oilers and Frank. Little ding in the bottom corner. You got Andy Moog. But it's always nice when Edmonton gets something at least. Next card. Rookie patch auto for the LA Kings. Nice. Out of 249. Jordan Nolan. The LA Kings is Sly Foxes. Oh my God, Sly, you hit your first card. You hit your first good card. Here you go, bud. Dirty patch there. I don't quite know. There might be a shoulder emblem or something. Whoa, this next card is Bank, and it's going to Frank. We got a rookie gold of Torrey Krug. Hand numbered out of 47. And unfortunately, I don't know why they do a short print like this and then have a boring one color patch with a little stitching on the right. But there you go, buddy. That is some value in that card right there. So 2 rookie patch autos. The next card is going to the LA Kings. And this has got some massive value as well. Program of Excellence. Braden Shen. Or wait, Braden Shen. Philadelphia, sorry. And Philadelphia's Ruben. Number 5 of 10. That would have some good value on it. And we got a gold base. Also for Sly Foxes. You like this one, buddy. Marc-Andre Fleury. Number 5 of 25. Really? That's cool. Oh, both one color. Yeah, I hate that. Sly Foxes. 2 hits. And finishing off, we got a 3rd rookie patch auto. And this one's going to the Dallas Stars and Saber Sean. Ryan Garbett out of 249. Oh, nice little 3 color. Looks like an arm number again. So there you go, Saber Sean. That concludes our box of the cup. It wasn't all that bad. Of course, it's a cup. It should be good. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your bids. I have Box of Artifacts live right now if you're interested, and have a